Welcome to day 30 of me backtesting my way to success. It's already been a month since I started backtesting. And also today I ain't got no school, so I'm all the more excited. Let's just see how the first trade goes. Okay, so first trade was a win. The reasons why I entered were 2-hour order block to the downside. Price swept this area of liquidity and went right into this 4-hour fair value gap to the downside. And I entered off of a breaker structure. I didn't wait till price got into this 2-hour order block, since I thought that there might be a possibility. I have 4 confluences. Price might as well just not go for this order block right now and just go down instantly. But I still set my stop loss above it, and this was also an area of liquidity, so it fit perfectly. And yeah, I entered off a breakup structure. Like I said, take profit was this daily fair value gap. I didn't place another take profit like right here or right here because I honestly don't know. They again confluences to the upside, confluences to the downside. I just wanted to be sure that I was sure that price is going to go into this daily fair value gap, but I'm not sure if price is going to go into even this 4-hour order block or this daily fair value gap. So yeah, let's just see how the next trade goes. Okay, so next trade was a loss. The reasons why I entered were daily fair value gap to the upside, 3-hour order block to the upside, 4-hour breaker block to the upside, and daily fair value gap to the upside. Also, I entered off of a breaker structure again in a lower time frame. So 5 confluences and all pretty high time frame except for the breaker structure. Take profits were previous areas of liquidity right here and right here. Sorry, right here and right here. Then the beginning of this 2-hour fair value gap to the downside. This area of liquidity, which was also right below the 3-hour. Was it an order block? No, it was a bit below this 3-hour fair value gap. Then also at this area of liquidity and at this area of liquidity. 2 take profits were hit, and this one was barely avoided, like, but that's all right. And then price went down, took out even this area of liquidity. Just looks like it was going down in general. And to be honest, I know I was trading against the bias, but I thought, okay, 2 daily fair value gaps, 4-hour order block, and a 3-hour order block. Yeah, price is definitely going to go down. But I thought wrong. Seems like the bias is stronger than even high time frame confluences. And that's a good thing to know. I didn't know it. I thought that confluences, like the daily fair value gap, if price is going to go into the daily fair value gap, then like 95%, uh, then it has a like 95% chance that it's going to go up. But it doesn't seem to be the case actually, because I think right here actually the daily fair value gap was ignored since it broke through even into this fair value gap. And so those confluences were kind of negated. And now I have only 3 confluences and it's looking a lot weaker. Yeah, okay, so now I see why I shouldn't have taken this trade. And let's just see how the next one goes. Last trade of the day was another win. The reasons why I entered were 4-hour fair value gap and order block to the downside. Also, it swept this area of liquidity. Right here, price reversed in the middle of 2 areas of liquidity and went into those building blocks again. And like I said, what I noticed is that usually when that happens, then price is going to take out the second area of liquidity too. I still placed my stop loss above this order block, 3-hour order block, and above this area of liquidity right here with breathing room, since I thought that there might just be a possibility that price is going to go into the order block and then go down again. Take profits were previous areas of liquidity right here, this area of liquidity, and also this one. all take profits were hit. And yeah, let's just get on with the monthly recap. What I learned this month was first and foremost to be patient. That was a really big thing for me this month. Another thing I learned was stop losses, a really important thing that I learned. And yeah, usually I would have probably placed my stop loss like at this area, above this area of liquidity with very little breathing room to maximize my risk reward ratio. And that's also a thing I learned to not care too much about the risk reward ratio right now, since I want to gain the experience. And another thing I learned that is also really important is to always look at all my confluences again and look at the bias. Just stop for a second before entering the trade and look at my confluences and think about the trade again, and if I would still take it after looking over all my confluences again. Another thing I learned is to not be cocky or greedy when I'm on a winning streak. And another thing that is really, really important, not only for trading, but also for your life, your real life, is that you should trust your gut. Because I was taking a trade, but my gut said, like, no, I don't think that's right. I think price is going to go in the other direction. And it did. But I didn't listen to my gut because I don't know, for whatever reason. And so yeah, that pretty much sums up what I learned this first month of backtesting. And time really flew by, to be honest. And I'm pretty excited for next month. So we'll see you in the next one.